Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to create your service based or portfolio based website, and how to choose demo, and how you can start making money from your own website like a pro. So here my video begins, and this is all we know that this is Astra theme. Astra theme is one of the most popular theme of all time, and this is one of the fastest, lightweight, high customizable WordPress theme. And lots of people, lots of freelancers, lots of service holders, or lots of website designers are preferring Astra theme to the users. And if you look at there are lots of demos out there, and now I have chosen 30 or 30 plus portfolio demos, or demos that will help us to create our own portfolio or service based website, and by that website how we can start making money. So let's begin. So this is a makeup artist studio website. Suppose you are a makeup artist, you know how to do makeup. You can have your own website, and Astra is giving you the free demo, and this is not a premium demo. You don't have to pay for it. This is a free demo and you can use it in your website. So let's have a look at. Suppose you are a makeup woman or makeup man, and you are offering service online. Your website can look like this. Here is the menu button, here is the phone number. Your phone number will appear here, and anyone can call you or message you from by clicking here. So this is the address, this is the studio name, and it can be your picture. My beauty studio. This is some samples service they are offering: wedding makeup, party makeup, fashion makeup, photo shoot. This is the booking tab. People can book any appointment by clicking here, and this is the price list, like women's haircut $95, quick fix makeup 55, L'Oreal color. And this is the review. This is one of the review. So if we click this about section, this is the about us page, and here all about Christina Collar or yourself. Then services pages. So these are the services they are offering. Then portfolio. This is the portfolio, some makeup, and this is the contact us page. This is the office or studio location, and by putting information here, anyone can get in touch with the makeup artist. So let's have a look another demo. This is cleaning solution. Suppose you have a cleaning company, or you used to clean anything, you can have your own website, and this website can help us. And this is a free demo. Let's have a look at commercial cleaning, residential cleaning. This is the areas they are offering, and this is the appointment or consultation or schedule. This is the clients. Just look at the about section. This is the about section, and this is the price list. So this website for the cleaning solutions, and cleaning companies can have this website, and this is totally free. All you have to do is having a domain and hosting. Then this demo will be appear in less than 5 minutes. If you hesitate, or if you want to use this demo in your website, just message me and contact me. I have already shared my WhatsApp, my Upwork, my website info in my description. This is Astra free demo for the lawyers or lawyer companies. Suppose you are a law, you are running a law firm, or you are a lawyer, you can use this extra free demo for your own website and provide services to the people who needs law service, and you can start making your own money. This is the practice areas: divorce and separation, grandparent right, child custody, domestic, all these areas they are working on. So this is a nice demo. Look at about section. Then this is another one, portfolio website, Christina Jones, color and shapes inspired me. So she is an artist and she is selling her artist hair. Just have a look at this art. If we click here, it also this art is on for sale on 2500 US dollar. So if anyone want to have his or her own art website, she or he can consult with me. I will create this website in less than 1 hour and customize it. All you have to need is your own domain and hosting. But if you don't have any domain hosting, I will provide you domain and hosting. And let me tell you, I am offering website design service in $100 only. So this is another demo. This is a website for motivational speakers. In the world there are lots of motivational speakers out there. Let me help you overshoot your goals. What I do: I coach, I speak, I write. Need advice, ebooks, testimonials, my story. So lots of things out there in the website. Motivational speakers can have their own website like this. This is another motivational speaker website. So this is the computer repairing service providers. Let's have a look. Breathe is air conditioning heating solution. Sorry, this is heating solution or air condition service provider, repair service provider. Let's have a look at their services. This is their services: service and maintenance system, replace pipe cleaning, heater, fan. Another one, growth marketing and content marketing. This is a portfolio website or service based website. This is a freelancer or growth marketer. He is offering his own service and making money. This is interior designer portfolio. Suppose you are an interior designer and you don't have your own website, you can have this demo as your website. If you don't have domain, if you don't have hosting, you can contact with me and I will create your own website in only $100 US. I will provide you domain, I will provide you hosting, I will provide you theme, and I will design it according to your needs. Accounting and tax services. This is professional services, another one.
डेली ऑटो नंबरिंग मशीन
বললে 5 কি করা যায়
6 ডিজিট
এয়ার বিল নাম্বার দিলো দেয় এই যেমন টিপ দেয়
সেভিং নাম্বার
বা যে কোনো কিছু নাম্বার ক্লিক করে। So this is saving animals website, welfare website, another portfolio website. This is health related website, health and fitness related website. So let's talk about how to make money from your this demo or portfolio or service based website. Suppose this is your website and you are a web developer, suppose. So here your photo will appear, here your name will appear, and this will be your contact information. So you have added all these services and about yourself here, and these are the services. So when people will visit your website, they will look after your portfolios, and when they will click get in touch, they will see this contact at the rate of example.com, like your webmail and your phone, and then they will contact you. Also they can contact you through your website by using contact form, and if they need a website, they will just put all their information here, and they will write here, I need a website and how much will be the cost. So when you will get your message, you will reply with a amount you will charge, then you will send your payment information, then your customer will pay you, and you will provide him or her the web development service. So this is actually how it works. But how people will know about your website? For that you have to do SEO. You have to do monthly, you have to provide give monthly SEO service, and get monthly SEO service. I am offering monthly SEO service, and all the things like keyword research, on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, all your SEO stuffs I will manage, and for this I will charge $100, and you can contact me through my description. And next, you need social media marketing. All the social media marketing will be charged totally free if you take the SEO service from me, Raihan Sani. So this, when you have your own portfolio website, you can start making money by promoting your website and getting clients. And suppose you are spending $100 for SEO and marketing, one single client can give you $500, and this is the power of SEO. You can start your own business, you can start your own online teaching platform too. So these are the websites demo. I will share you the link of Astra theme. You can choose your own demo. Again and again I am talking about your domain and hosting. If you don't have domain and hosting, I will provide you the domain and hosting, and I will create website for you in a very cheap price. So thank you for watching my video.